Erie County joined the governor in declaring a state of emergency for this latest storm.
All towns in the southern part of the county are under a travel ban or a travel advisory. Right now, we are joined by Lieutenant Jeremy Lenning with the Erie County Sheriff's Office. Jeremy, thank you so much for joining us this afternoon.
Thanks for having me.
So first, let's just start off with an update. How has the response been for the Erie County Sheriff's Office been?
It's actually been very, very good. It's been a heavy lift. We've been very, very busy as far as the south towns go and keeping up with the amount of snow coming down. But for the most part, we've been able to keep up. We've had approximately 200 or more vehicles off the roadway, a total of about 80 complaints so far, give or take, and each one of those complaints has a number of vehicles attached to it.
And Jeremy, we're seeing similar reports from all across Erie County and even beyond localities saying, please stay off the roads, please stay off the roads. Let's talk a little bit about what happens when, let's say, a tractor trailer or just a regular passenger vehicle, when that goes off the road in the middle of a snowstorm. Talk about what that does to first responders and then anyone else out on the roads.
It completely hinders our ability to do our job, to clear the roads and to make the roads passable for traffic in the future. When these vehicles are off to the side of the road, you're not only putting yourself at risk, but you're putting the plow drivers at risk. The snow does drift up around your vehicle and it makes it extremely difficult to see. So there's always also a chance that you could possibly be struck by a passing plow because he can't see you.
Based on the patrols your crews have been doing, what areas of the south towns are you seeing most of the snow?
The heaviest snow that we've seen in our patrol districts in the south towns is going to be in like the Boston, Concord, and Colden, Sardinia area, as well as Springville.
Now, we know that, of course, the Erie County Sheriff's Office is law enforcement, so you guys aren't strapping plows to the front of cruisers or SUVs or anything like that, but you do have a responsibility, and a very important one. So could you talk about what that responsibility is, and then perhaps what Sheriff Garcia does in terms of staffing for events like this? Do you guys ramp up like the road crews, or is it a little bit different?
No, we absolutely ramp up. We try to get in as many people as we possibly can. We have a dedicated traffic unit, a dedicated special operations unit, and all those play a major role as far as being able to get to stranded motorists, clearing vehicles off the sides of the streets, and making sure that everything's well taken care of.
And about how many tickets are you giving out typically during a storm like this when it comes to things like drivers, maybe out on the roads? Would it be driving in travel bans and things like that?
Well, if you're driving in a travel ban, you are definitely, if you aren't meeting the criteria, if there's no reason for you to be out there, you will be cited. So it's on a case-by-case basis.
And I imagine that if you perhaps are out on the road in a travel ban and you do not have a legitimate reason to be out, particularly if you're not a first responder or emergency responder, and you get in an accident or something like that, the violations will stack up. And they will include that violation of a driving ban, right? So you could even get added insult to injury.
Absolutely.
Are there any other safety reminders or anything you would like residents to know before we let you go?
Yes, as a matter of fact, if you do have to travel, and I highly recommend that you don't do so, make sure that your vehicle is completely cleared off. Make sure that your phone is fully charged. Make sure that you can actually see your taillights. Make sure that if you're traveling in a whiteout situation, that you have your four-ways on. Make sure that you're visible. And if you should go off the road, utilize your cell phone. Make sure that you have your GPS and you're able to give us a very accurate, like at least a cross street or GPS grid coordinate as to where you are.
Excellent. Those are some incredible tips and some that could save your life if you get this lake effect snow. Lieutenant Jeremy Lenning with the Erie County Sheriff's Office. Thanks for joining us this afternoon. Appreciate it.
Thanks for having me.